To install a die pairing, you will first grab the first die. In this case we have the A1 die. We will insert this in the gun itself. You can screw it in. You will find little wrenches within your set. Please make sure the die is completely cinched down to the bottom of the piston. The matching A2 die will go on the opposite side together with the adapter. This distance piece will get installed on the rivet arm. Where then the counterpart of the A1 die, the A2 die in this case, gets bolted too. Please make sure you bolt them down real good and there is no air gap between every die and every distance piece.